Greetings from MWN.com. Dr. M. Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Surveys, case study, field studies and scope of research. Surveys. A survey is a method of gathering information using relevant questions from a sample of people with the aim of understanding populations as a whole. It provides a critical source of data and insights for everyone engaged in the information economy, from businesses to media, to government and academics. A survey is the process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting data from many individuals. It aims to determine insights about a group of people. A survey goes much deeper than a questionnaire and often involves more than one form of data collection. Survey research is also defined as the collection of information from a sample of individuals through their responses to questions. Most common types of surveys: online surveys, paper surveys, mail surveys, telephone surveys, in-person surveys, panel surveys, focus group surveys. Case study method. The case study method is a research design that involves an in-depth study of a specific subject in its natural context. It is often used to understand a complex issue or phenomenon. It is used to investigate an individual, group of people, organization, or event. Case studies are analyses in detail of single phenomena which are studied holistically by one or more methods. The cases may be persons, events, decisions, periods, projects, policies, institutions, or other phenomena or systems. Case studies are primarily qualitative, but can sometimes include quantitative methods. Case studies are considered naturalistic, since they explore a subject in its real-life context. Researchers can use a variety of methods to collect data, including interviews, observations, surveys, and document analysis. Field study method. A field study is also known as field research or fieldwork. It is a research method that involves collecting data in a natural setting, such as a community, workplace, or natural habitat. It involves observing, interacting with, and collecting data from participants in their natural setting. Field studies can be conducted in a variety of environments, including workplaces, communities, and natural habitats. Some methods used in field studies are as follows. 1. Direct observation. The researcher observes the participants without intervening or asking questions. 2. Participant observation. The researcher actively participates in the activities of the participants. The researcher can encourage the participants to engage in discussions through their communication and interpersonal skills. 3. Qualitative interviews. The researcher asks close-ended questions to the participants directly. These interviews can be informal, conversational, semi-structured, standardized, or open-ended. 4. Ethnography. The researcher immerses themselves in the culture, community, or society they are studying. Scope in research. The scope in research refers to the boundaries and extent of a study. It defines the specific objectives, target population, variables, methods, and limitations. Hence, it helps researchers to focus and provide a clear understanding of what will be investigated. Scope refers to the range of the research project and the study limitations set in place to define the boundaries of the project. It also defines the specific aspects of the research project that the study will focus on. In simpler words, scope is the breadth of the research study, while delimitation is the depth of the study. A scope statement should provide basic information about the project, including what will be found out, how the study will be conducted, and the responsibilities of the researchers involved.